Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hey, guys. Let's go ahead and get started here. Let me share my screen. Big update in the markets today. I believe the Dow was what's that? 564 points up for the day. So a big update for the markets. All right. So let's go over that information. All right. Hey, Saga. Welcome, Saga. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's see here. If you guys look here, right here, 564 points on the Dow. All right. So we mentioned last night that the indexes were holding support. All right, holding support. All right. So here's the Dow here. Here is support. All right. Here is support here, and was holding support, and we got a big day up today. All right, gapped up, and actually we have a green candle. All right, so that is a bullish sign for the Dow. Now we still don't have any buy signals yet. All right, but that is a very bullish sign. All right, so here is green candle, held support, right? Held support right here. All right. Here. We'll count this. All right. And now we're looking at resistance right here. So that's a big day. All right. Big update on the Dow. That's good news for buyers. We'll look to start adding stocks, but not aggressively, right? Slowly. Make sure that the sectors. All right. We'll take a quick look at the sectors this evening. But that's good news, right? Good news. So that's about in the last 3 days. The Dow has been up. What's that? Almost 1,300 points, guys, in 3 days. So that's a lot of buying. All right. Same with the S&P. All right. So S&P recovered. All right. Held support. Support is about right about here. All right. Recovered support. All right. All right. So previous resistance, right? Previous resistance, right? Is support on the way down here, recovered, gapped up. All right. Gapped up here. And we have a green candle here. All right. So good news also for the S&P. Now, on the NASDAQ, we don't have any green candles yet. All right. We do have a white candle. So we'll take that. All right, we'll take that. All right, so here on the NASDAQ, right, gapped up again here, we've got a white candle. All right, so very good news on the indexes. All right, we could see buying continue. All right, we could definitely see buying continue. On the Russell, now you guys know the Russell had been really breaking down, traded below support. But actually pull back. All right. No, it's got really big support. All right here, near-term support. And we've got new support down here. All right. So new support down here. All right. So we could see where the Russell move up. No white candles, no green candles, red candles. Okay. But very bullish sign. Still don't have any buy signals. Okay, so still have to be careful. But buyers are definitely somewhat in control. All right, in control right now. All right, so we can expect hopefully some buying tomorrow. All right, the VIX is down. Look at the VIX. VIX is at 15. Look at this big drop this week, guys. All right, so total turnaround in the VIX. All right, you guys remember VIX made a high all the way near 22. All right, now it's all the way back 15 near the the very low on recent lows on the VIX has been 13. So here we are at 15. That's very low, guys. Very low. Remember, when the VIX goes down, equities, stocks go up. When the VIX goes up, all right, above 20, equity market stocks, right? They go down. All right. So just remember that. We have consumer staples was added here. All right, in the indexes. Um, our US30 traders, right? I heard from a few of you guys, you did well today. All right. So US30, all right. We we had a buy signal, right? Buy signal came in yesterday, I believe. Yeah, I think it was yesterday or day before. And stuck around here. All right, but big move, guys. Look at this. All that move came in today, all right, on the 60-minute time frame. So that's a big move. That's a lot of money here. All right. Big move, buy signal here, just a straight up move. All right. In the US 30. Great, 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 great move. All right. So, those of you trading the US 30, hopefully you guys captured some of these moves. Okay. So, big move here in the US 30. Now, the US 30 on the daily time frame. All right. We are stuck. um, Between a narrow range. All right. But hey, we can reduce the time frames, even on that 60-minute, right? Did really, really well. Here we are, big white candle. All right. So we can anticipate if we can get above this purple resistance line here, we could see a buy signal. So anywhere in here, we could get a green candle and buy signal, and then perhaps start testing the highs there, resistance there. Okay, so great move, big move. All right, so we had some decent shorts, guys, decent shorts, and now amazing run. This is on the 60-minute on the US30. So great trading. All right, no longer consolidating here. All right. Hey, Lewis, welcome, Lewis, welcome. All right, so great moves, guys, in the US30. Let's take a quick look at US30 time frames. All right, look at that. Right, this on the 5-minute time frame. Right, buy signal here, still holding on the 5-minute time frame. All right, imagine that. All right, so great trade. Let's take a look at NAS, NAS 100. All right, here, look at that. Right, same move, NAS 100, big move, and on the S&P, right, S&P, right here, big moves. All right, so lots of money, all right, to be made today. So those of you, trading the US30, NAS 100, S&P, good job. All right, great job. Let's take a look at the current positions. Current positions. In monsters. All right. All right. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. All right. All right. So again, hopefully you guys took this move. Always let me before we move on. All right. Um, Guys, always our US30 traders, monster US30 traders, always be aware. All right. So if you miss this trade, that's a big trade. Even if you missed it over here, you had a chance to get in these areas here on your smaller time frames. Okay. All right. So this is a big move. The Dow was up 564 points. So that's a big move. So always be aware. All right. Always be aware of that market and what's going on. That's a lot of money here to be made. Okay. All right. So Aussie, New Zealand, we're going to close that trade. All right. Buy signal is all the way down here. This is a great buy signal, right? Coming right after the markdown phase, accumulation, right? Buy signal. It's all the way up here. It's we don't have any red candles, but it's struggling a bit here. And we have purple support and resistance. It's just struggling here. So we'll go ahead and close it. All right. Don't wait for a sell signal. Okay. So go ahead and close it. Aussie, New Zealand, close that trade. All right. Aussie, Swiss. All right. Aussie, Swiss. Good markdown phase. Buy signal was here. All right. This is the one we got Monica in her first trade right here. All right. And that trade is working out really good so far. Um, I mentioned this, right? Uh, Sometimes I think it's better when our new traders have a losing trade as their first trade rather than a winning trade. But she got lucky, a winning trade here. Um, so we'll see how high it goes. It's got some no real resistance, right? Got a high all the way up here, so it could go much higher. All right, good trade here going. All right, if anyone else got into this trade, good job. Aussie, Swiss, all right, good markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, all green candles, looks well. All right. New Zealand, Swiss, same thing. Buy signal here. Good markdown phase. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here. Trading up nicely. No support and resistance. All right. So good trade going there. That's New Zealand, Swiss. New Zealand dollar. All right. Buy signal here. All right. It's back in that box here. All right. A lot of choppiness in here. All right. So we're back in the box here. Hopefully, right, we'll leave this up here. Hopefully, we can get back up to a resistance up here and then look for an exit. All right, unless it moves higher, but lots of sellers sitting right here. Sellers are sitting right here. Good chance for this to move higher, though. Okay, that's New Zealand dollar, and it should follow, hopefully, right, New Zealand Swiss right here. All right. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. All right. All right. Um, EURSEK. All right. Buy signal here. We have resistance here. All right. Guys, if you're ever concerned, all right, always pay attention to what's above. All right. So you know where sellers are sitting. All right. If we get lucky and we break through, that's great. But if price starts to slow down where we have resistance above, all right, you want to go ahead and watch out for that. All right. The inverse is true. So if you're going short, always know. So if you're shorting, always know where uh, the buyers are sitting at the bottom, okay, waiting to get in. All right. So we want to buy low, sell high. So that's how we work. So buy signal here, right? In the markdown phase, all of accumulation. We have a purple support and resistance here. That's not good. You guys know that when we're in the up high, right, on the screen here. All right, so purple support and resistance, white candles there. We'll go ahead and close this trade. All right. All right. Lewis, you're in New Zealand, yen. All right, we'll take a look at that. All right, we'll take good job. Good job. And I saw your screen. Good job, guys. Remember, if you're looking at your screens, you're not. I want to see those screens. Want to see what you guys are doing. Right, the yen pairs could be setting up for a nice move. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close this trade. All right, no need to be in it. Right, sellers come in. They could come in heavy like they did here. All right, so go ahead and close it. All right, take profits. EURSEK. Let's close that trade. All right. We'll start with Lewis's trade, New Zealand yen. All right, good job. All right, so New Zealand yen. Good job, Lewis. Buy signal was here. I think you got in right about here. Good job. Are you still in it? If you're still in it, okay, yeah, you're in it. All right, so good job holding it through these the pullbacks here, right? I know this is hard to stay in on these pullbacks. All right, just hold on, hold on. As long as we have all green candles, right? No white candles, no red candles, no sell signals. All right, just hold on. So good job, Lewis. Good job, good job. Proud of you, bud. Good job. All right, so buy signal here. Just hold on. All right, just hold on. We do have resistance here. So I would, on your screen, just right click, go to drawings, um, look for horizontal, your horizontal line, and just put it up here, just as a reminder that sellers are sitting here. Okay, so that if it gets to that area, right, you'll know, all right, its price is slowing down. If it slows down, you'll know why it's slowing down. All right, you get a white candle, just get out. All right, so just you can just put, like I said, right click on your screen, go to drawings, horizontal line. All right, click, and then just bring it right up there. All right, sellers are sitting here. This is where they came in before to go short here. So, and here we are going up to that area again. All right, so good job. Good job. Very good job. Very good job, Lewis. Okay. All right. SGD JPY. All right. Buy signal is here. That's holding nicely. Euro yen buy signal here. Pull back, but holding, right? It's gotten past resistance here. All right. A pound yen. We're looking for pound yen to break out. Okay. So, all right. So pound yen right here. Retraced, right? Retraced today, but holding, guys, holding, right? Looking for it to break out. That's pound yen. And if pound yen moves, the other pairs will move, guys. Okay. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen buy signal is here. It is breaking out of that resistance. And this has been a long consolidation. Now, the overall trend is up, but in recent months, the yen pairs have been consolidating. Okay. But they're looking to break out. All right. So it's definitely breaking out there. All right. All right. All right. No shorts, no current shorts in Monster Scalper. Okay. Let's look at the longs in Forex Dominator, and we have some yen pairs that are long. Okay. All right. Swiss yen, the buy signal is here. It's still holding purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. All right. We do have a really good trend line here. Previous trade did really well. All right. So we're hoping that, right, this continues, right? Previous trade here did really well. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen buy signal here, right? Descent trade here, and it's breaking out, holding right at resistance. All right. We could see a pop in these yen pairs. All right. A continued move. HKD JPY. All right. Buy signal is here. It's still holding all green candles. SGD JPY. Right. In Forex Dominator. Buy signal here. All right. All green candles. Really good. Slowly moving higher. All right. But really good trend going up here. Previous trade did well. ZAR yen, that's a new one, guys. All right, new one we added. We had a bit of concern, consolidation here. We are breaking out. All right, so we need to get past. Oof, wait, we need to get past this area here. All right, so but the ZAR, if any pair can do it, the ZAR yen can do it because it moves. All right, it moves. Look at this big candle here on the break of resistance here. Big candle right here. So it does move. All right, it does move. All right, Aussie CAD. All right, buy signal here. That's holding a decent markdown phase. Dollar CAD. All right, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. It's so far it's rejecting, guys. All right, it's rejecting that resistance right here. So we'll pay attention to it. Okay, we could get buyers to come back in. No white candles yet. So let's do this. Let's bring in. Hold on. All right. All right. Got a nice trend line here. All right. Euro pound buy signal here. That's holding. All right. And EURN okay. Okay. Let's see here. If anyone is in this one here, just be patient here. Now, we don't have an overall move in the euro pairs. All right, but it's holding. Buy signal is here. All right, and it's looking to break through that resistance there. Okay. Um, all right, we have support about here. Okay. All right. Shorts. We do have some shorts. The ZAR shorts. Let's take a look at those. Um, all right. So shorts in Forex Dominator. All right. Okay, good deal. Okay. All right. So dollar ZAR, sell short signal was here. That's moving down nicely. All right. That's good. Euro ZAR. Let's see Euro ZAR. All right. Sell short signal was here. That's holding so far. And then pound ZAR. All right. Sell short signal was here. I think we got in right about in here. Okay. So good shorts. The ZAR pairs are holding their shorts. So that's good. Okay. That's good news. Equities, well, we know the market. Equity markets did really good today. So let's see how these stocks did. Now, we don't have a lot of stocks in here left. So let's see. Stock Boss. If anyone on here traded the US30 today, I just put a one in the chat. All right. If anyone traded the US30 today, put a one in the chat. All right. SWN. All right. That's an energy stock, guys. All right. So we got some buy-in. All right. And guess what? It's holding. Buy signal was here. Buy signal came in at $6.68. It's at 7.36 right now. All right. Buy signal is here. Moving up nicely. We have continued buying in the markets. It could go up higher. AVPT, buy signal is here. That's holding fine right here. Purple support and resistance, but we've got higher lows here. All green candles, so nothing to do there. All right, that's Stock Boss. Bull Master. All right. DRS, that's technology. All right, buy signal is here. We got a nice move higher here. All right, KTOS, buy signal here. Look at this, guys. All right, as soon as we get buy-in, right, stock starts to move. Surprise, surprise, right? Gapped up. All right, buy signal was at 1671. Gapped up, 1795 is where it closed, near the high right here. All right, and that's technology. AEO, buy signal here. Look at this. All right, another move higher here with this one here. Big candle here, move higher. All right, touching that resistance right here. Okay, so that is AEO. Consumer communication services. GPS. All right, GPS. Look at GPS, guys. All right, it has been holding during all that selling. All right, all that selling pullback. But look at this. It's gapped up here today. Buy signal was at 1172. All right, close today at 1353. All right, in Bull Master, we do have resistance right here. All right, so it's getting to that resistance. Okay, so if anyone is in it, just pay attention to see how it reacts. All right, to resistance right here. But good trade going here. All right. You notice how when when the indexes move up, guys, your stocks, right? The stocks will move up. The majority of your stocks will follow, right? I always say 80-90% of stocks will follow the overall move of the indexes, right? So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, right? That's why we pay attention to this, all right, to those indexes, Okay, every day, every single day. You notice how we went from very, very bearish, very bearish last week to very bullish this week. This is how quickly things change. All right. So if we're not paying attention, right, we're going to miss opportunities. But guess what? We'll be on the wrong side of the trade, and we want to know why. All right. So very, very important. Okay. So GPS buy signal here, moving up higher. All right. Very good. All right. The last one, HPK. HPK, that's energy. All right. Buy signal is here. A bit of a pullback, holding, looking to test resistance here. If we get continued buying tomorrow, right, in the indexes, all right, and the sectors also, we could see it break resistance here. All right. It's getting ready to break resistance. All right. Buy signal came in at 1828. Trading right now close at 1796. Okay. All right. All right. We're going to take a quick look at equities, stock boss. All right. So look here, guys. We're getting some action in stock boss. Okay. So let's take a look at perhaps adding. Before that, let's go here. Let's take a look at the sectors. Which sectors are doing well? All right. So gold has a buy signal, green candles right over here. Right over here. So just remember, gold is part of basic material. All right. So we'll take a look at gold stocks. All right. Nothing here in silver. Utilities. All right. Utilities have a green candle there. All right. So utilities. All right. Home builders. Right. We have a green candle. We'll see. All right. Financial services. All right. Green candle here. All right. So we'll just see if anything comes up. Technology. All right. Tech has a green candle there. Real estate. That's interesting. Home builders and real estate coming up. All right, that's it there. All right, real estate was the largest, was the number one move today. Okay. All right, so let's go to stock boss, and we'll go through this quickly. All right, so 32 guys, 32 today. All right, so basic materials. Let's see. All right. Nothing here. No buy signal. All right. Good markdown phase on AMBP. We just need a buy signal. Okay, so hold on. We need a buy signal. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's gone. All right, so that's basic material. Financial, there's two financials. No buy. Good markdown phase. Right, look at this breaking out. We just need a buy signal. Okay, so it's setting up. We just need a buy signal. That's financials. All right. Let's see here. Okay, we'll add this one here. So SLQ, SLQ, All right. Now go light. All right. Fell from $32, guys. It fell from 32. Look at that. All right. Let's open this up. I want you guys to see this. All right. Look at the chart on this. All right. So it fell from $32 all the way up here. All right. To $1. We have a buy signal. It fell all the way down um, to 54 cents. But here's our buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here at $1.45. Okay. Good support. Good support here. All right. Buyers are coming in. All right. And that sector is good. And we've got some buying in the market. Now, we don't have buy signals. We just have buying. Buyers are coming in. So if you're going to trade it, all right, trade it small. All right. So SLQ in Stock Boss. And that is financials. All right. We're going to wait on healthcare, biotech, nothing. That sector isn't really moving yet. Okay. We said technology. Let's see here. All right. This one fell from $23, guys. All right. All the way to $3 and $3.41. Okay. So we've got resistance. I would say decent resistance right about here. All right. This is where the previous buy signal failed here and failed here. Okay. So buy signal here. All right. Just we're going to call it, but again, don't go heavy. If the buying holds, then it will move higher. If if sellers come back in, then it will definitely, right? It's not strong. All right. So it's still trying to break out of this, right? Support here, resistance in this area here. But we're just looking for some opportunities here. VNET in Stock Boss, and that's did we say technology, right? Technology. All right, so VNET in Stock Boss, and that's tech. All right. We have one more tech, MARA. All right, that's setting up, not ready yet. All right, so nice markdown phase. All right, buyers are coming in, green candle, no buy signal yet. Okay, so just wait. All right, utilities, we mentioned utilities, right? Yep. Utilities, we've got a couple here, nothing here, no buy signal yet. It's setting up though. All right, for a buy signal. Just remember, this is recent buying. Okay, we're coming out from a sell-off, so you have to give them time. But 32 in Stock Boss is quite a bit. Too choppy here. We have a buy signal, too choppy. Okay. On some of these, so let's take a look at S. Which one was it? Where's SLQ? Hold on, SLQ. I thought it was SLQ. Where is it? Oh, hold on. It's up here. Okay. That was financials. So here it is. SLQT. So it's SLQT, guys. This one here. SLQT. Now, bring in your Stock Boss timeframes. Okay. Bring in your Stock Boss timeframes. and you might be able to, you guys might be able to get in on a smaller time frame also. Okay. All right. VN. All right. VNET. All right. Also smaller time frames. Okay. Smaller time frame. 30-minute looks good. Now that 30 minutes has been moving for a while there. Okay. So buy signal on the 30-minute came in at 325, trading at 342. All right, so not too bad. Can perhaps still get in. Okay. All right. Bull Master. Let's see. Oh boy, look at this. All right, 51 guys. We went from what, 17 that quickly to now 51. All right, so they're starting to buy. All right, we'll see how long it lasts. All right, so basic materials. We know basic materials. All right, no buy signal here. That's gold and silver. Okay. Let's take a look at this one here. Very choppy there. All right. Choppy. Gold. That's an interesting trade. Okay. It's a difficult. It can be done. All right, but it's a difficult trade to manage. It can be done, but it's not an easy trade. All right. VALE, nothing, no buy signal yet. And the last basic material. Okay, look at this. You guys know gold is making a move, all right? All right, so you know gold is making a move. So we're going to add this one here. All right. Good markup phase, good trend line here. All right. All right. Good trend line, solid trend line. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Breaking resistance, buy signal right here. Big candles coming in, and that's part of gold and silver. Okay. Let's take a look at the weekly. It's on the daily. Take a look at the weekly. All right. Look at the weekly, guys. Weekly is making new highs on the weekly. All right. Let's take a look at the monthly. And we've got some fundamentals too, right? On gold. On the monthly, all right. On the monthly, it's right here. The highest it's been where it closed is at 52. It's at 42 right now. And look at that. It doesn't want to stop, right? Every month it's been moving higher right along that trend line. So since it broke resistance here on the monthly, every single month it's been moving higher. Okay. And steady holding that trend line. Okay. So we'll certainly add this one. This could be a good one for options too. Okay. Nice big break, nice big candles. So we'll add the CCJ in Bullmaster. And that is basic materials, right? Gold. Basic materials. And that is actually metal mining. But sector basic materials, industry metal mining. All right, the sectors, it's important, guys. Energy, we don't have any buy signals. No, no buying yet. Not buy signal, no buying yet in energy. We'll wait. All right. Financials, we saw a move in financials. All right. Not doesn't have very good structure, guys. Gapped up here. They can bring that down, fill in the gap there. Okay, so lots of buying though. All right. Another financial here. No buy signal on that one. Technology down here. Let's see here. All right, NRDS. All right, a decent markdown phase here. All right, buy signal came in right here at 961. All right, close to the 11. So not a bad trade here. NRDS in Bullmaster, and that is I'm sorry, technology. That's technology. You know, we might have that Christmas rally after all. We might have that Christmas rally after all, right? You know, they like to push that market down, right? Do a sell-off in October, right? September, October. It looks like that might have been the bottom, all right? That might have been the low, and now they might take this market up, and we might get a move for the fourth quarter. All right, that's the way it's setting up. All right. Um, let's see here. All right, we'll add this one also. All right, MSTR, that's technology. You know, technology stocks will do well in the fourth quarter. All right, a bit choppy, but buy signal here, and it's looking to break resistance here, break the high. Take a quick look at the weekly. Weekly looks good. All right, I signal here a pullback. All right, look at this on the weekly here. Take a quick look at the monthly. All right, not bad on the monthly. Buyers are definitely coming in. Okay, so we'll add this one, and that's technology. MSTR. That's expensive. 453. Right. So calls. SNAP. Snap. Let's see here. Nothing here. Very lots of consolidation. Very choppy there. All right. Oh, look at that. Nope. Never mind. Yeah. All right. ANET. All right. Let's see. All right. We'll add ANET, guys. Okay. That's technology. ANET. It's just good to, get back into stocks, guys. Good trend line here. All right. So definitely have an upward trend line. All right. And it's breaking resistance right here. We actually have a channel going here, but I think more importantly, it's breaking resistance right here. All right. So broke resistance, buy signal on this candle right here. Here's your right here. That's your buy signal moving higher. Right. Expensive, 211, but calls. All right. ANET, Bullmaster, and this is technology. The one thing about stocks, though, we have to do, going through these is a lot of work. And especially when, we get in 100, 200, we have to go through these. RIOT, we've done well. Our traders have done well with Riot in the past. All right. So here it is again. All right. We've traded it here before. Here it is here, waiting for a buy signal. Good markdown phase. And Riot trades okay. All right. And we've got one more technology. All right, that doesn't look bad. It fell from what, 64 to 30, 33. All right, a decent trend line here. All right, and breaking resistance. All right, breaking resistance. All right, buy signal here, retraced, now moving higher. Okay, and that's technology. VRNS. All right, um, VRNS. Bullmaster technology. I think that's it there. Utilities. We have a utilities down here. All right, too choppy. Okay, let's take a quick look at Monster Scalper. We'll go through this quickly and then we'll be done until Sunday. But great to see the market buyers come in today. It's great to see. All right. Just remember, right? The Kiwi, Aussie, Yen pairs, they're all blue. So, you know, look for long opportunities. Was that New Zealand dollar? We're in that already. Trying to see if we any new ones, any recent buy signals today. We're in that one. We're in most of these yen pairs. NZD. So Lewis is still on here. That's the one you got in. All right. Too late to call it. All right. Lewis, good job getting in here, but too late for us to call it. Okay. All right. Good job. Good job. Good job, Lewis. Right here. Pound yen with no, I'm sorry. I'm looking at Forex Dominator. We are in New Zealand yen. Yeah, we're in New Zealand yen in Monster Scalper. Okay. In Monster Scalper. Pound yen, we're in pound yen. Nothing here. There's a new, okay. I'm glad we took a look at this. So CAD yen. All right. CAD yen is a new one, guys. Okay. So buy signal just came in, right? In the last 4 hours here. All right. Buy signal here, right? CAD yen. And that's holding right here. Okay. So CAD yen will add CAD, JPY, CAD yen long in Monster Scalper. CAD yen, guys. CAD yen. Okay. Good. And Aussie yen. We're in Aussie yen already. So we have a rotation. Let's see how many buy signals we have. To call a rotation in any of the groups, we need about, I would say, 80%, minimum 70, 80%, all right, of the pairs giving buy signals. Okay, so ZAR yen has a buy signal right here. Dollar yen has a buy signal. All we need are buy signals to call a rotation. TRY, JPY, not doing well, but we have a buy signal, I guess. I would say no because we have red candles, okay? So we won't count that one. SGD, JPY, that has a buy signal. NZD, JPY, that has a buy signal. HKD, JPY, all right? Red candle here, but we call this buy signal. Pound yen, buy signal. Euro yen, buy signal. Swiss yen, no buy signal. CAD yen, buy signal. And Aussie yen, buy signal. So we're going to call a rotation. So we do have a rotation in the yen pairs. Okay. So confirmed rotation in the yen pairs. Okay. Let's take a look at the Aussie. So one buy signal. We have another buy signal. Another buy signal in the Swiss. Another buy signal in the Aussie CAD. All right. So we have a rotation in the Aussie pairs. New Zealand dollar buy signal. New Zealand Swiss buy signal. And New Zealand CAD confirmed buy signal. So guys, we have a real move going in here. All right, real move long. All right, so we have a rotation in the yen, New Zealand, and Aussie pairs. Okay, so we'll start to see this group take over here. All right, over here, and we see New Zealand Swiss is second. All right, Aussie Swiss is right up here. All right, New Zealand yen, ZAR yen, TRY JPY. All right. So we'll see these. So if you're not in these, look to get in these. Okay. This is where the focus should be over here. All right. This is it. Forget about the dollar pair. You see the dollar pair is a mix. Some are down, some are up, some are neutral. All right. Same with the euro pairs. Same with the pound pairs. So this is where we should put our focus. All right. If you've missed it, all right, let's find one that's really trending here. Let's do this. I mean, no, Aussie Swiss is moving, right? So just go here to your time frames and find, all right, find an area. Here's on a 30-minute time frame. This was a great trade today. All right. So find a time frame. Right now, the 15-minute, right? 30-minute has a buy signal holding. All right. If you want to wait, you can get on look for the 5-minute. Okay. Wait for buyers to come back in, a buy signal to come in on the 5-minute. Okay. So, but find a time frame. Okay. But, that's what's moving right here. All right. On the 240. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone on Sunday. Okay. Keep an eye on these yen pairs. Okay. They will follow the equity markets. Okay. They will follow the equity markets. Okay. Like I said, the pound, where is it? Pound yen, right? Pound yen, it's looking to break out. Okay. The other yen pairs will follow. All right. And we know that the yen, this is the actual yen, the yen is going lower. When the yen moves lower, right? Now, this is the actual yen, Japanese yen in the futures market. So when it moves down, all right, the yen pairs move up. Okay, so they're really selling the yen, really selling the yen. All right, that's a great correlation. And the yen pairs are moving higher, right? A bit of consolidation in here, but they're ready to move higher. Okay. All right, guys. All right. Thanks for coming. Hope you guys had a great trading week. This week was a great opportunity to do well with the pound pairs, the yen pairs, and also the US30. All right. So stay on your systems. Stay focused. Okay. Stay focused. All right, guys. Take care. All right. Have a good evening. See you guys on Sundays, our traders. All right. Our monster traders. I'll see you guys tomorrow in our roundtable class. Okay. Beginning traders. We'll see you guys on Saturday for beginners webinar. All right. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.